Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make tea cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and 60 milliliters of milk. Having your butter softened and eggs at room temperature is key for a smooth batter. Also, prepare your baking pan, perhaps an 8-inch round, by greasing and flouring it thoroughly. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is wonderfully light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, beat in your 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated into the butter mixture before adding the next. Finally, gradually fold in your dry ingredients, alternating with the milk, starting and ending with the dry. With your batter ready, gently pour it into your prepared 8-inch baking pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The cake will typically bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, simply insert a wooden skewer or toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your delicious tea cake is perfectly baked and ready. Once baked, let your beautiful tea cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to firm up slightly before you carefully invert it onto a wire rack. It's crucial to let the cake cool completely on the rack before you even think about decorating. A simple dusting of powdered sugar or a light lemon glaze makes for an elegant and delicious finish, perfect for serving with your favorite hot beverage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.